15 Lakeview Terrace, Taradale. Style, spacious and private. Award-winning architect Simon Clarkson has designed the spectacular single-level home to offer the very best of modern living. Aesthetically pleasing, beautifully proportioned and high-quality functional living are all the hallmarks of this home. Built in 2006 to exacting specifications, the high-quality construction, finishing work and fittings are evident throughout. Cedar cladding and colour steel roofing offer low maintenance and durability. An impressive high cathedral ceiling, along with an abundance of natural light and beautiful Kwila flooring, are features of the spacious open-plan kitchen and family room, clearly the hub of this home. The kitchen is well laid out. Quality appliances, great storage, along with its large feature window looking on the garden, will delight any home chef. Leading from the kitchen is a separate dining room and, in turn, a spacious lounge, comfortably configured and featuring an impressive gas fireplace. Expansive views through the floor-to-ceiling windows can be had from both these rooms. The accommodation wing comprises a spacious master with ensuite and 3 double bedrooms, along with a large bathroom and a separate powder room. Other great features of the home include the undercover outdoor barbecue area, complete with wood burner fire and full-height loft over the double garage that would work equally well as a home office, Pilates studio or teenagers' retreat. Outdoors, easy care landscape grounds, combined with wonderful large outdoor wooden deck, easily accessible from the family room and bedrooms, made for entertaining and relaxing, along with a newly constructed heated swimming pool and spa. The location of this home in a small exclusive cul-de-sac is superb, yet conveniently only a few minutes drive to the Taradale shopping centre, schools and other amenities.